iTeknic Milk Frother, electric milk steamer and frother stainless steel, automatic foam maker for coffee, latte, cappuccino, milk foamer warmer with Strix Temperature Controls. Easy to get rich creamy foam creates smooth milk foam or heat up milk by simply pushing the single button. Fully automatic for hands-free frothing. Refresh yourself with your choice of cold, warm, or hot milk so you can make cappuccinos, macchiatos, lattes, flat whites, and more. Heats and Froths Milk Milk Frother heats up to 240 milliliters, 8.1 ounces, milk for delicious lattes or flat whites. Also this foam maker froths 115 milliliters, 3.9 ounces, for luscious cappuccinos or macchiato. Durable and smart design made of high-quality stainless steel housing and vacuum insulation helps contents maintain temperature. Angled ergonomic spout minimizes spillages. Also iTeknic Milk Frother with lift-off base allow for comfortable serving since you can move it to any desired place after foam preparation. Silent and safety features ultra-quiet operation. Our milk frother is equipped with Strix Temperature Controls, is ETL listed, and automatically switches off when milk foam is ready. Easy to clean and perfect gift cleans up very easily with free supplied brush. Also you could wipe with a soft wet cloth. They are the nice gifts for families and friends. You guys don't have to spend money in coffee shop and you can create your own favorite coffee. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.